Hello and welcome back to the IT Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to format pictures in PowerPoint. By the end of this video, you'll be able to format pictures and make your presentation stand out. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to insert an image into our presentation. So we are on this is the title slide, and we see the title slide here. Let's go to the first slide. So we go to insert, click insert and pictures. And then we select the picture that we want. Let's pick on this computer on the desktop. I can double click on it and then it comes right onto the slide. So that is that. So once we have the picture in here, you see that we have tabs here, the slideshow tab, the home tab. There is a picture format tab. It is not shown at the moment, but once you select an image, the picture tools tab appears. You see it. So once I click on it, these are the tools that we're going to use to format our images. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do in formatting our image is to resize. It is very easy. You may not like the size, the default size. You can change it by selecting the image, and then once you select, you see the sizing handles, these little circles around the image. They are around the image, and you can click and then drag to reduce the size and also increase the size. Okay, you can do it from any direction, but it is better to do it at the corners. If you do it on the left, right, or top or bottom, it's going to distort your image. You see it? The image is distorted unless you just want to distort your image intentionally. And then one other thing we can do in formatting our image is to crop it. Sometimes you may not want the entire image. You want just some parts of it. So you can discard the unwanted parts. To do that, you click on the image and then you make sure your format tab is selected. And then you go on to the crop button here. So when you click on crop, it's going to give you some handles, cropping handles. So this is it. You see them here, these black objects. So if I want to cut out this entire side, I click on this one and then I drag here. And I'm going to the left side also. I drag it this way. Then I go to the bottom. I want to grab the keyboard. Okay. Then I go to the top, reduce it a little bit. So once you have defined the area you want, you just go back and then click on the crop button. And then it has discarded all the unwanted areas. So once that is done, you can now increase or decrease the picture or the image that you have on your slide. Then one other thing we can also do, so let me delete this and insert the picture again. We have our picture here. One other thing we can do is to change the picture styles and borders. Maybe we just want to have a special effect here. We want to change the way the image looks. We select the image and then we go to picture styles. These are the various picture styles that are available inbuilt. So what you have to do is click and see all of them. Then you point the mouse over them. Once you do that, it previews it for you to see the one you like. So if I like this one, I have to just click on it and then it is applied. The setting is saved. That is that. So that is the picture style. It also has borders. For instance, if I select this one, it gives me a border, different kinds of borders on the pictures. Okay, then we also can, in formatting the image, we can adjust the colors. To do that, you simply go to the adjust section and then we select color. Let's point out here. Let me point to this one. And then you can see that the color is changed. You can see it. And then when you point to another one, it changes also. It all depends on what you want to achieve. But when you go through all these and you don't want anyone, you simply click outside it and then nothing is implemented. The image remains the way it was. There's one other thing we can do. We first of all did the cropping. Earlier, we cropped the image by cutting off the unwanted parts. There is something called the crop to shape. Okay. What you do is you select the image and then you click on format. Then you go to the crop button. There is a little downward arrow here and then you can see crop to shape. So what it does is that it changes your image into any of these shapes. So if I select a heart shape, the image will now be turned into that shape. The image is now inside the shape. So let me go back there again. Crop to shape. Let me get this teardrop here. It changes it. You can see it. If I want to change it to this, okay, it also changes it right there. So we have these inbuilt tools that make PowerPoint such a powerful application. And that is how you format pictures in PowerPoint. With these tools, you can make your slides look polished and professional. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the IT Academy, and check out my other PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching.